Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to Stock Market Analysis presented by Ray Financial. Today is August 12, 2017. Hello, traders. Welcome back to Stock Market Analysis presented by Ray Financial. First of all, my sincere apologies that I was not able to upload the video on 1st of August as I was moving offices and I was not able to set up my computer on time, as well as the internet connection was not available, so I could not upload the video. But what I want to get into is what I had predicted or what I had analyzed where the stock market was heading. And if you remember, my target was 10,050 on the Nifty, but Nifty has definitely gone above that. But I knew that it was going to be somewhere in that range and it was not going to go further. Anyways, what I see right now is the market has come to a phase where it wants to start correction, and we've already been seeing that over the past week. So my analysis here is to find out where is Nifty exactly heading. So now I'm going to first pull out this. What we have right now is the daily chart, alright, and what I have already marked is the high point of Nifty in its lifetime, which is 10,137. And from here, what we're going to do is we're going to take a retracement from the last rally. And what I mean by the last rally is basically from this particular point, Nifty ran all the way to 10,137. Now I believe that Nifty is going to retrace at least 50%, which would be to 9,000. And the reason being why is because if you see, let me put out a line for you guys and let me make the color green. If you see, the last time Nifty was at its high, it was at it about like say 9,000, alright, and from 9,000 what happened was it came down. So basically what I'm trying to tell you is that the last resistance, once it breaks, it becomes a support, alright. So this was the last resistance, and it broke, and now it has become the support. And if you see that the 50% retracement is almost there, like it's just missing by 16 points or 20 points, I don't know exactly, but you can see 50% is right there, and this is the 50%, and this is where I feel that Nifty is headed. Alright, it's not going to happen I don't know if it's going to happen in this one, but I know that Nifty is definitely coming down to this area. Alright, and then from there we might see a little bit of bounce back, and that's when I'll again come in and analyze the market and let you know what I feel about it. But for now, I have already marked out the first level, which is like a long term. Okay, if Nifty comes down to this level, then you can expect Nifty to bounce back. It's going to cross 10,134. That also I can let you know. But right now we are in a corrective phase. Okay, so 9,019 is my first target. We might see some sideways pattern, okay, and the reason I am saying that there might be a sideways pattern is because if you see, there was a gap here, alright, and Nifty will definitely fill this up. So Nifty is anyways coming down, so it's going to fill this up, plus there was another gap here, alright, and then of course, which is the 50% retracement, there was a gap here between these two candles and it never got filled, so we're waiting for that. So right now, this is, let's go in the reverse order. What would be the first target and what would be the second target? Alright, so the first target is definitely this area. Okay, I'm going to get the text out and let's put target 1, and then the second one is it's right here. Okay, and then again we're going to use the second target. Okay, target 2. So there we have target 2, and then we're going to have target number 3, which is here, target number 3. So just keep in mind these levels: target 1, target 2, and target 3. So target 1 is basically just right now, and I can share this level. Let me just get the crosshair. Okay, I don't even need the crosshair. So the first target is 9,450. all right, and the second target is 9,207. Yeah, 9,230. And then number target 3 is definitely the 9,000 level, so keep a watch on that. All right, if I go into the weekly chart, how does this look out? Well, the same thing. Okay, now some of y'all will be like, why the 50% retracement? Why not higher? Why not lower? So I'm just going based on the previous, because this is clearly it's a two-wave pattern, and that is why the 50% retracement. And how I did it was like this. So you take this low. Okay, this is the extension. Sorry about that. Let's get the retracement from here to here. So if you see, from this low to this high, we retrace 50%. all right, and that 50% ended here. You can see 50%, and then Nifty took off, it went up. all right, and now what I'm going to do is basically I'm going to just take the same just going to plot another one from this low to this high, and same again, 50% is coming to 9,000 only, so there's been no change in that. That's it from me, guys. I would not invest in any stocks right now. I don't have any recommendations. If you guys are looking to play safe in your portfolio, then buy defensive stocks such as ITC, Dabur, Godrej. These are the defensive stocks. Also some pharma, but don't buy large ATR pharmas. What I mean to say is, don't buy stocks, pharma stocks which move like 10 points, 15 points in a day. But buy the ones that move relatively like in small numbers, so you don't have any large losses. So that's it for me, guys. I will see you all soon, and good luck with your trading.